Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this sumptuous 67 registered Jaguar XF 2-litre R-Sport diesel. This is the 180 brake horsepower engine with the automatic gearbox. The car's finished in the most beautiful Firenze Red Metallic paintwork, and it's sat on the ultimate of all wheels on Jaguars, and that is the 20-inch factory optional upgrade propeller spoke. This car has the black package and privacy glass also for the exterior, giving it that dynamic look. So let's take a look around it. So this has to be one of the best colours in this sunshine today in Wigan. It's beautiful. It shows up all the fleck. Just look at the crystal finish in the glitter on that car. I just love this colour. We have a few of these in at the moment. XFs, F-types, they're all F-paces, brilliant cars. This particular one, as I say, does have the black exterior design package, which all the external black plastic is in the high gloss finish. The wheels themselves, they're a titanium grey and mirror finish on those, and they're in wonderful order and riding on fantastic Goodyear tyres. The external black package comprises of black detailing to the power vents in the wing with the R-Sport decal. We get the slightly darker headlamp. The power blades at the bottom of the bumper are also high gloss finish. The honeycomb front grille there with the red Jaguar embossed. This particular one obviously is the newer style, so it's got the J headlamps on there, but everything about it is in gorgeous order. As we run around the windows, that has all the black detailing as well. But I think the wheels themselves are in fantastic order. This car has been meticulously cared for. The last owner bought it from the Jaguar main showroom and has just part exchanged it with us for a slightly smaller car, but it is absolutely gorgeous. This is in the showroom. The external black package carries on then onto the bumper and the rear boot lid, the black detailing, and then the black detailing just under the bumper there with the twin chrome exhaust tailpipes. Reversing camera as well on this one, and then we've got the huge boot, and that has the option of the 60/40 split rear seat, so if you want to load through you can do, but just look at the size of that. Absolutely wonderful. This car makes no apologies. It's in exceptional order throughout. I've got the 2 keys in my pocket. We've got all the service documentation for the vehicle throughout its life. The driver's side mirrors that of the passenger and is free from trolley dent throughout. A lovely, lovely example. Without disappointment, I would say. Now, when I open the driver's door, we're met with the two-tone red and black leather interior. Just finishes off the whole of the car. Red detailing on the door. We've got the high gloss black finish just on the titanium grey detail. A real nice selection of materials. R-Sport designated, a full set of Jaguar tailored mats, the electric seat. We've got factory options of lane change assistance. As I get into the car, I'll start her up for you. The keys are in my pocket. We've got 29,357 miles only. Been nowhere, this car. We've got factory options of a heated front windscreen. We've then got reversing camera. Standard features then, we have the DAB radio. Everything's touchscreen. Source, we can have music streaming, auxiliary. Satellite navigation, just press the screen, bring everything to life. Bluetooth phone, climate control, everything's touchscreen. Heated seats, which is nice as well, lovely on a winter's day, really beautiful. But let's have a look down the centre console. You'll see that all around the Jaguar crystal embossed gear lever is in perfect order. No scratches. This is where you tend to get marks if people just throw the keys around. We get the grey detail running through and then onto the door as well. The way the materials complement each other, it really is a delight to be in this car. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell that nobody has ever smoked in here. This car still smells new. We've got automatic wipers, automatic headlamps, paddle shift if we want to drive it. These are arguably one of the best 4-cylinder diesel engines on the market. Jaguar have really gone to town and have done this car proud. Always been a great car, the XF, and this one is no exception. I do like driving these personally. I've had a few F-Paces, my wife's had a few F-Paces. They are absolutely wonderful to own. Huge space in the back there. We've got the 12-volt power socket, vents for the rear passengers as well. But everything, just look at it, the mats, I don't think anybody sat in the back of this. There were a retired couple who owned the car, so you can expect they bought it, as I say, from the Jaguar main showroom, and it has been his pride and joy ever since. So, what more can I say, but just look at that car. Beautiful, beautiful car, that. Put a private registration on it, and your neighbours and family will think you've bought a brand new Jaguar XF. I guarantee you. So, got the upgrade wheel, got the metallic paint, got the black pack, got the privacy glass, got the heated front windscreen, got the reversing camera, got the 2 keys, got the book pack. Everything that was given to the first owner when it was brand new in 17 is still here today. All our cars are highly prepared, so if it requires service MOT, they're all guaranteed and they're all HPI clear. We're a 5-star dealer, been in business more than 40 years here in Wigan. We have one of the most luxurious independent showrooms for you to purchase your next vehicle from. I'm Graham, we've got Dom and we've got Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. We take part exchange and we have the finance option as well. We also have the option to reserve this vehicle. £250 takes it off sale, gets it ready for you to come and collect it in the same day. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.